Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating this wedding guest makeup look. It is super easy and convenient if you're attending any wedding or any function. Everything I'm using will be linked in the description, and Amazon's beauty sale starts from the 23rd, so do not forget to shop from there for some amazing deals. So I did wash and tone my face already. Now I'm going in to use a serum. The serum I'm using is the Plum's Niacinamide Serum. It's the 5% niacinamide serum just to soothe and hydrate my skin. I personally feel prepping is the main thing. If you really want your foundation and your overall makeup to actually sit quite well, just go in with a good skincare. We have to moisturize, so I'm moisturizing my skin with the Simple's moisturizer. It is a lightweight moisturizer, it's not greasy, and it sits pretty well under makeup. Since it's a wedding, it's going to be a long evening ahead, so I'm applying my favorite eye patch. It's from Garnier. You can do this if you feel like your eyes get too dry or you just want your makeup to sit quite well. You should definitely go in with this step, and I'll let this stay on while I do my entire eye makeup. I will go in with a concealer first over my eyelid before I go in with my eyeshadow, just to color correct and make it look all even. Then I'm taking the Nicka K eyeshadow palette. This eye look is super easy. I am using just 3 different shades. I am taking this light brown nude shade and I'm putting that all over my lid and blending it in. I am going to pick up a brown shade and I'm just adding some more color to my outer eyelid. Going in with a deeper brown to add in some more depth towards my outer eyelid. Also, if I have to talk about this eyeshadow palette, it is beautiful. There is no fallout whatsoever and it delivers high color payoff, and I absolutely love the shades in this one. It has more warmer shades, which is just perfect for the winter season. And for my inner eyelid, I'm going in with a highlighter. This is from Makeup Revolution and I'm adding it towards the inner corners of my eye. I'm quickly going to use an eyeliner and I'm taking the Maybelline's Air Volume Mascara. It's one of my favorites. I'm applying a few coats and letting it dry. Moving on, I'm prepping my skin using a primer. It's the Kombucha Skin Shot from Makeup Revolution. First of all, the packaging is so cute. It comes in a glass bottle. Love the texture. It's a hydrating primer and I'll just apply this all over. For foundation, I'm using the Color Bars foundation. It's super lightweight and has a beautiful finish, and it's great for dry skin type. So I'm just taking a tiny amount and dotting it all over my face. I will go in with a brush to blend it all in. Then I am using the Maybelline's concealer and I'm just going to put that all around my eye and some around my lip as well, just for some coverage. To contour my face, I'm going to use this contour stick from Blue Heaven. It is very creamy, easy to apply and easy to blend as well. This is like one of those contour sticks that you can just work with so effortlessly. I mean, it just blends in so quick. Picking up one of my favorite blush, it's the Super Dewy liquid blush from Makeup Revolution. I love the formula. It's super creamy and blends in super quick. So I'm applying some on my cheeks, my nose, and I'm going to use a brush to blend it all in place. To set everything in place, I love using the Maybelline's Compact. You can definitely see how much of this product I have already used. So I'm going in with a brush and I'm just going to take a good amount and apply that under my eye, around my nose and around my lip area. For lips, I'm taking the K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Fame. It's a beautiful brown shade and I'm lining my lip with this one. So I did forget to color my lower lash lines. So I'm taking the deep brown shade and applying that towards my lower lash line. I'm going in with a brown lipstick and I'm just going to fill my entire lip. Then I'm taking L'Oreal's lipstick in the shade I Amaze. It's an amazing brick shade and I absolutely love the shade. And I'm going to apply this towards the center of my lip. Setting everything in place with the Maybelline's matte setting spray and spritz it all over. Finishing off with the Sugar's highlighter in 01 Babe Blaze, and I'm taking just a dot of this and applying it on the highest points of my face and nose. This highlighter is pretty strong, so if you are using it or if you're planning to, just apply a teeny tiny amount. That's it, nothing more. Just adding in some jewelry and a bindi, and this is what my wedding guest makeup look looks like. I really hope that you found this video to be helpful and that you did enjoy. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.